watch you grow from the rascal that you were. Give mom and dad a hard time, but it's cool. You weren't as bad as I was. A loving brother to your sisters and me. Thank mother and father for the loving life we lead. On this day, you have made a vow in front of God. On this day, giving a new daughter to Ma and Pa. On this day, you got your three sisters all dressed up. Brother singing out loud on this day. On this day, I just met you the other day, but that's enough for me to know you'll make my brother happy. Says Leah, Sophie, and Nani. My family loves you. My sisters adore you. If my grandparents met you, I know that they'd love you. On this day, to the both of you, may God bless your love. Oh.